Does Instagram show if you screenshot picture of a story? So if you want to know that, then first of all you need to open up your Instagram application, and then after opening, now you can simply open up any story that you would like. So I'll be choosing this story, and after choosing the story, now you can simply take a screenshot of that story. So now after screenshotting, now you can simply go to their profile, which is on the upper left, and then you can go to message, and here under message you can see that that person has not been notified that you have screenshotted that story. So on Instagram it won't notify the other person that you have screenshotted their story. Instagram don't have that option, so you can freely take the screenshots of your favorite stories or of anything of anyone's stories, and Instagram won't notify the person. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.